Today we are going to tour 7318 North 43rd Lane in Glendale, Arizona. By the end of this video, I hope you'll know whether this is a place you want to call home. Welcome to this beautifully updated 2-bedroom, 1.5 bathroom townhome. The kitchen is well equipped, featuring a convenient wraparound design, upgraded appliances, and white cabinetry with white counters. Counter seating helps the kitchen flow into the living space, which features high vaulted ceilings. Offering a comfortable living space, this home features a bright and open floor plan with modern wood-style flooring. The living room opens up to a private patio, perfect for outdoor relaxation. Upstairs, you'll find 2 spacious bedrooms, along with the full upstairs bathroom. In addition, this unit boasts a private 2-car garage. The community features a pool and is centrally located within Glendale. It is also close to local shops and dining. This home is available, and if you are interested in making this your home, please visit us at our website, leaseaz.com. Here we have the upstairs bath with upgraded counters and tiling. Inquire today.